See, in this story, they are telling you about a rabbit, Floppy. The name of the rabbit is Floppy. Floppy, a little rabbit, lives in a burrow near the river. Where does a rabbit live? The rabbit lives in a burrow. The rabbit lives in a burrow. And where is that burrow? Where is that burrow? Burrow is near the river. Floppy likes to hop and play on the beach. Floppy, the little rabbit, is of very playful nature. He is a very playful nature. He likes to play on the beach. He likes to hop all around. Floppy is of a very playful nature. Floppy says, hippity hop, lippity lop. Sturdy, the little turtle, lives in water. Floppy always says hippity hop, lippity lop. Next is your Sturdy. Who is the Sturdy? Sturdy is a little turtle. And where does the Sturdy lives? Sturdy lives in the water. Sturdy lives in the water. But Sturdy likes to sleep on the beach. Whenever the Sturdy feels like sleeping now, he comes onto the beach and he sleeps over there. Sturdy likes to sleep on the beach. One day, what happened? Sturdy, the little turtle, comes out of the water. Who was Sturdy? Sturdy was the little turtle. He comes out of the water and lies down on the sand. He wanted to get a sleep. He wanted to go in a tight sleep. So he comes out of the water and lies down on the sand. He tucks his head inside his shell. He tucks his head. He brings up his head. What he do? He pushes his head inside. वो वापस अपने shell के अंदर उसने अपने head को अंदर कर लिया and falls asleep. And he falls asleep. He went to sleep. Soon, what happened? Soon over there, Floppy comes to the beach. Who was the Floppy? Who was Floppy? Floppy was the little rabbit. Floppy was the little rabbit. And Floppy comes to the beach. Floppy again was doing hippity hop, lippity lop. He hops up and down the beach and plays for a long time. Floppy is of a playful nature. He wanted to play everywhere around the beach. He wanted to play all around the beach. So he was doing hippity hop, lippity lop, and he was playing up and down the beach. He was having fun. He was having total fun over there. Now Floppy also get tired. So what Floppy did? Floppy wanted to rest for some time. Floppy wants to rest for some time. He looks around. He looks here. He looks there. He looks around and sees a big round stone. What does Floppy see? Floppy see a big round stone. He sits down on the stone. He feels, wow, this is an amazing stone, a comfortable stone. I will sit on the stone. मैं इसी stone पे बैठ जाता हूँ. Floppy थक गया था ना. He was too tired ना. पूरे बीच पर वो खेल रहा था. कभी यहाँ पर, कभी वहाँ पर, कभी up and down. So he got tired. Now what he did, Floppy said, oh wow, such a beautiful stone, a big round stone. Let us sit on the stone. और वो उस stone पर बैठ गया. He sits down on the stone. What happened? Let us read. Sturdy the turtle wakes up. Sturdy the turtle. It was the Sturdy the turtle. He wakes up. He pushes his head out of his shell and moves towards the water. Arey, that was not a stone, you know. Do you know that was not a stone? That was the turtle. Yes, that was the turtle. फ्लॉपी को लगा वो स्टोन है, बट वो स्टोन नहीं था. That was Sturdy the turtle. Sturdy the turtle wakes up. He pushes his head outside of the shell and moves towards the water. Third, Floppy the rabbit falls off the stone. You know what happened? फिर एकदम से आवाज आई धम की. धम से क्या हुआ? Floppy the rabbit falls off. Floppy the rabbit गिर गया stone पे से. He looks at the stone. It is moving. It is moving. He said, "Oh my God, this stone is moving. ऐसे कैसे हो गया? How is it possible?" Floppy says, "Wow, a magic stone." Was it a magic stone? Was it a magic stone? But Floppy feels, Floppy knows the stone को फिर से touch करा and Floppy बोला, "Wow, a magic stone." Floppy touches the stone. Sturdy lifts his head and Floppy jumps back. Sturdy ने एकदम से अपना head बाहर pop out किया. Sturdy ने अपने shell में से एकदम से अपना head बाहर निकाला. And what happened? Floppy डर के jump कर दी. Floppy was too scared. He jumped back. Oh, it is not a magic stone. It is a turtle. Floppy said, "Oh, it is not a magic stone. It is a turtle." There he got to know that that was not a magic stone. It was just a turtle. Huh? So the rabbit says, "Hello, turtle. I am Floppy." And there the turtle tells, "Hello, Floppy. I am Sturdy. My name is Sturdy." Now, Floppy and Sturdy are good friends. There they became the good friends. Friends forever. They introduced themselves to each other. What the rabbit said? Rabbit told the turtle that, "Hello, turtle. I am Floppy." Then the turtle said, "Hello, Floppy. I am Sturdy." And then they became the good friends.